Researching the market for a 2007 Holden Commodore. You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, ventilated disc brakes. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.